Kamusta mga kaibigan? It's been a while since we've launched this book, and I thought I would give you a closer look and kind of give you ideas of how to use the book and also the thought processes that we put in designing the book. Welcome to my first big book of Filipino food activity book, by Campfire Crates. So we open it up with a place to put your name in. Ito ay libro ni. And just a little explanation of how we put it together, what to expect, how to use the book. And then we open it with a way for your child to be able to own the book by seeing himself as the kusinero or the kusinera. And we've got some Filipino cooking terms for your kids to learn. Kain na, masarap, prito, luto. And then we've got like a little overview of different foods that you can learn about or that we're going to find in the rest of the book. So these are their like explanations of what's in it and how to eat it. And when we see where we normally eat it, like tanghalian, inihaw is hapunan. I mean, of course, it's like that, it could be both, but that's the general idea. Like sinangag is for almusal. And then you've got kakanin for merienda or halo-halo. And we've got a little, cutout that your child can use for their make-believe karinderya. Put it up on their walls, put it up on the door, as well as a menu. So these are blank, so that your child can pick what it is that they want to be able to be serving, and they can use that cut this out and serve it and use it in the restaurant. So here we have silog. So the way we wanted to do this is like, it's not just about learning what the food is, but what goes into the ingredients, what goes into the recipe of the food, and for the kids to be able to use their imagination, to be able to mix and match. So we've given them all of the elements to be able to put it together as their own. So the idea is to cut all of these up. We've got a little sample of what it could look like over here. And then this little space here is for them to cut and paste whatever it is that they want to do for their silog. And which goes the same for adobo. And there's a little idea. My kids love this one because it's got the fire, so they can really use their imagination. Little conceits. Little nilaga. Your little lumpia, make your own lumpia, and your palaman. So some of the reasonings that we've used in what dishes to choose were particularly dishes that kids could relate to. So sandwiches especially are something that kids all understand, so they don't really have to have grown up in that culture. But what we did was, take something familiar, which is a sandwich, but give it a little bit of a Filipino twist, so they understand, okay, these are the things that I may already be eating at my home, but it's also Filipino. So like a little ube spread, condensed milk, guava jelly, pineapple jam. Make your own sandwich, bring it to school. And then you've got the inihaw, complete with a pamaypay. And kanin, sorbetes, halo-halo. And here is something that's a little bit more out there, but also a fun way to learn all of the different and see all of the different vegetables that come in the bahay kubo song. So this was an idea that I got from AJ, my eldest, and he said, well, why don't we make a bahay kubo pizza? And I said, my goodness, what a great idea. So there you go. Make your own bahay kubo pizza, an idea from AJ. Okay, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed our little introduction to my big book of Filipino food. So we'd love to see your kids' creations. Send them in. Bye!